Nice. All those pork lovers, this gonna be a banging recipe, guys. You wanna try the pork? Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to cook a pork belly. That's huge. Like good, nice, meaty, fatty, all together. Process this and let me show you how it's done. Maybe to cure for some time, maybe for like, if you have enough time, maybe overnight. Otherwise, 2-3 hours would be enough. Start with scoring your meat. Chef Ahmed, welcome to my blog, welcome to my channel. This is a pork belly, so the skin has to be very crispy. So first of all, we start off by scoring the skin. If you can hear how easy, you flip your chopping board like this, and then you start making a diamond. You start from one end, you end up to other. Cover your meat, guys. First you cut one way, and then you cut the diamond way, the other way. Here is my gas stove, flat on the. You need to do is you need to season your meat. The first step is done would be seasoning it. That's sea salt. Use generous amount of seasoning. Rub on the skin. I have seasoned it. You give it a good rub. Just to cure 4 hours at least. It and showing you how the skin would get crackling juicy. Add the flavor. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some on all the sides. Just, caraway seeds. It's a cumin family side as well. That's fennel. I'm gonna do the same. Last layer of sea salt a little bit, just a sprinkle. I'm gonna put this into the oven and let me show you how it's done. I've seasoned the pork here, just here with the seeds. I have used caraway seeds, onion seeds, and fennel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like flash it in the oven, and I've set the temperature. I've preheated it. Now I've opened it, and now I'm gonna put it straight away into the oven. Remember, my temperature is 190. That's how I do it. If you have your own way, let me know how you do it. I have started the temperature here, 190, 45 minutes. So that's after 15 minutes. Final result once it is done. Stay tuned, guys. Pork is completed after 45 minutes. Let me show you how the pork has become after 45 minutes now. Oh wow, lovely. So as you can see, the pork, it's crackling, almost there. The sound. Cook it for more 20 minutes on a high heat. I'm gonna increase the temperature to 230. Now is the time to cut the pork belly. This one have rested proper well for like good 2-3 hours now. Let me. Nice. You wanna try the pork? Let me cut it. How's it? This is crackling. Now, just, lovely. Yo, you see this? So, choose, lovely.
That's so good at your job.
So this one here, full of juices, lovely, and you can hear the sound. The juices are dripping out. Max. Ooh, lovely. All the pieces, every bits of it have like the full juice in it. Oh, lovely. Give it to him. This is money. Money. You see the juices. Fuck. Ooh. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you like the video. Give me a like, drop your comments, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, keep supporting. That's all for now. Chef Amit signing off. Back with a new recipe. Let me know what do you want me to cook. Some new recipe, any recommendation, just let me know. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, guys.